other things I was going to do is a little piece of metal up on the side where this radiator is. You see that, how it leans back? I was thinking I could take something about like this, set it right there, put a little weld on that, and then pull that up, the radiator up, and attach it somehow here so it wouldn't be laying back like that. Give it something to hold it in a steady spot, and it wouldn't take, now where I'm at, it wouldn't take much to put a little quick spot weld onto that. I'll give y'all a new battery before I start. Putting just a little bit of weld on that because that's pretty thin metal right there. I will burn holes in it. Oh, I did burn the hole in it right there. Okay. So I think I can take me like a little one of them little plastic twist tie things and put it up here. Tie that off to that. Keep it from leaning back, getting into the fan. Should work. I hope this radiator is going to be good. I'd like very much to use it. I'll just stick a bolt down in one side of it from 1 and 2. That way, if I ever needed the bolt, I know where to find one. It's kind of a joke. It's a little bit of a joke, not a big joke. It's just a little joke. Yeah, just to pull that back a little more. I don't think I need it though. I think it'll be okay just like that. If not, you know, one thing when I put the manifold and put this on here, that's going to matter. It might be fun, you know, just for looks. It might be fun to stick the manifold and put on here over onto there. Shoot a picture of it like Todd said. Hold the joy. Fun. You know, all this stuff is just for fun. Somebody asked me the other day why I was doing this the way I was doing this, and I said, because it's fun. And they couldn't argue with that. It was like, oh. But see, there's some things that make sense if you're doing them from a mechanical perspective. You know, so I'm doing this, but if I don't do it this way, the woggle hoosers will tangle up with the whatchamacallit. But if you're just doing it for fun, you don't have to argue like this. And well, that woggle hoosers won't hang up with that whatchamacallit. Then you have to argue about it. But if you just say fun, I'm just doing this for fun. That's why I would say something like, oh. And they might say something like, well, it don't look like fun to me. And I might say something like, well, yeah, but it looks like fun to me. See? If it looks like fun to me, then that's good enough reason for me to do stuff I do. That's kind of the kind of guy I am. Sure is. Alright, I like my setup pretty good here. I can put this right here. That goes right there. Oh, that fits nice. Yep. And then, it'll get a little chilly. I might need to put these things up and away somewhere like a beautiful balloon. Where I'll put you? Over here maybe? Up and away, yay. My beautiful balloon. Yeah. Then I take these little bolts here out. Maybe I ought to go get a warmer jacket. Because I'm a little chilly-ish. You go do that. I'll be right back. I know where there's one at. I can find without too much stuff. Alrighty then. So that carburetor fits right on there perfectly. You know, a lot of times when I get one of these, I have to put some kind of a thing, you know, on the carburetor to get it to fit. Not on this one. It fits right on there. Well, it would. It's a Holley intake, Holley carburetor. I got a distributor over here. I don't have everything to it, but I got the, you know, the shaft, the part without all the stuff. I could just sit that over in there, just for fun. This might not be lined up. I just got it sitting there, so yeah, we'll just call it good. You might notice the back end's a little lower than the front end, which it shouldn't be, but I don't have any rubber underneath this, and what I'm going to do is get me some kind of a little rubber biscuit or something and put under that, and by the time that raises that up, it should be pretty close to level, I think. That's pretty good, because what that lets me do now is it lets me roll that around and get it out of the way, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to roll it over in that back corner. Oopsie. Get this out of the way. Get this out of the way and get that out of the way. I need to go to town too today. Do a couple of pieces of business. Might be doing that here in a minute or two. I like this whip. I like that it's rolling. When I got it home, it only has wheels that turn on one end. I like this one here. It only turns on the front wheel. You can't push it sideways. That's steering. That's out of the way pretty good. Right there. Yeah, baby. We'll see what the mail lady brought